Today, we're diving into the MUSETEX Y6 Mid-Tower PC case, a marvel designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Let's start with aesthetics. The pure white color scheme breaks away from the conventional black, offering a refreshing change. But what truly sets this case apart is its 270 degrees full-view tempered glass panels, providing an unparalleled glimpse into your high-end PC hardware and adding a touch of elegance to your setup. But it's not just about looks. The internal layout is meticulously designed, offering ample space and strong compatibility for seamless installation of your favorite components. With support for GPUs up to 400mm, CPU cooling heights up to 176mm, and top mounting for a 360mm liquid cooler, this case can accommodate the most demanding setups without breaking a sweat. Heat dissipation is a crucial factor for any gaming rig, and the Y6 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with 5 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, including 2 with unique anti-leaf suction design, this case ensures optimal airflow and cooling efficiency. Plus, with speed-adjustable fans controlled via motherboard software, you can customize the lighting and performance to suit your preferences. The attention to detail is evident throughout the design, from the innovative air ducts to the magnetic dust filters that keep your components clean and cool. And let's not forget the practicality. Despite its spacious interior, the mid-tower form factor maintains a compact footprint, perfect for any desk or gaming setup. In conclusion, the MUSETEX Y6 Mid-Tower PC case offers the perfect blend of style, performance, and functionality. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC enthusiast, this case is sure to impress with its visual appeal and superior cooling capabilities. Say goodbye to compromise and elevate your gaming experience with the MUSETEX Y6. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.